Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. I'm pretty pumped for the product I'm showing you today. This is the Logitech G Yeti Orb, a desktop condenser microphone packed with great sound and great features. So let's get right into it. Once we open the box, first thing we see is a card with a free trial of Streamlabs. On the back of this card is a QR code and a numerical code to redeem that free trial. I'd show that to you, but I plan on using it. Under that, we have a few accessories and a bit of packaging. Let's pull that out and have a look. The accessories pack is pretty Spartan. We have a USB-C to USB-A cable for connecting the mic, as well as some documentation. We all know what cables and documentation look like, so let's set that aside and get to the main event. Under that, and under this bit of sustainable packaging, we have the microphone itself. Let's take a closer look here. It comes with a desk tripod pre-installed, placing it at a nice angle to sit on the desk right in front of you for streaming, recording, podcasting, or anything you can think of. The mic itself contains a condenser microphone capsule, which is a cardioid pattern. What that means is the microphone is more focused to sound from the front of the mic, rejecting sound from the sides and the back. And it really sounds great, especially at this price point. On the bottom, it has two mount points, where the tripod is mounted, as well as this secondary thread that allow you to mount it at various angles to anything that has a 1/4 inch 20 threaded mount. On the back, we have a USB-C connector, which is plug and play with so many devices it's too long to list. All that's required to set it up is plug it in and select it in your system settings or software. On the top, we have the Logitech G logo. Love to see it. And that logo illuminates and is LIGHTSYNC RGB, allowing you to match the vibe of the rest of your RGB setup. You can set the RGB color or animation as well as adjust your sound with Blue Voice processing in G Hub. Lastly, if you're wondering how it sounds, you've actually been listening to it this whole time. I hope that shows off what this mic is and gives you an idea of what it's capable of. Please be sure to download G Hub and check out our introduction video. And if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us at our support site where we have FAQs, setup guides, and tons of other cool resources. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.